Yes, sir.
What's up, guys? We're out here in the Wheeling Casting Couch up here in Portland, Oregon, and today we're gonna be checking out my bike. Starting off, we got the purple Haze stem matched up with the stickers right here, all the way down to the seat post right here, still purple Haze. And what's up with the sprocket? That's purple Haze Fiend sprocket, all of it, all matched up. Got this beautiful Fiend Morrow frame, sickest rider out. And up here, we got some Bebo prints. That's my kitty cat. The Fiend team bars. We got ourselves a Odyssey headset. Shout out to my brother on these Sunday Darkwave forks. And you already know we keep it light, so we got the Odyssey hazard lights already laced up. Looking good. There's my little buddy right here. All Odyssey pegs. 165 Thunderbolt cranks, so I can maybe balance better on a crank slide. Who knows? JCPCs for my shins. We got the Odyssey keychain, you know. And up here in the back, we got ourselves an E-Clot Cortex hub. E-Clot? E-Clot? You let me know in the comments. And what else we got? We got these Odyssey Brock Rayford tires, to my best knowledge, I believe. Sorry, Brock, if that's wrong. And my favorite part of the bike, I gotta tell you right now, it's this beautiful corduroy seat. It's a little dirty right now because I've been hitting dirt jumps all summer. That's what we're riding. It's either that or a foot tall flat ledge. Thanks for checking out my bike. Buy a front load stem. Have a great day.
Yo!
Yes, sir! My God!